Large organisations have the most to gain from digital transformation. Here is Aidan Curran, IT Service Delivery Manager at UK-based Howden.
Aidan is a global engineering company. We specialise in the oil and gas market, compressors and fans. We have locations in about 27 countries. Part of my role is looking at standardization, and that's why we reviewed PDF. Quickly, we could see there was an issue with training, licensing, compliance, and no standardization, so it made it difficult for IT departments to support that.
So you heard there from Aidan talking about standardization, and that's a key factor in terms of making benefits from a digital productivity standpoint. So what if you could deploy PDF productivity and e-signing tools to everyone and all of your knowledge workers within the organization, just like Microsoft Office? The benefits there are multiple, lower cost per user through unlimited use of the product, e-signature and PDF, very easy to deploy, manage and use, and up and running very quickly, underpinned by Nitro's analytics platform to show exactly where those benefits can be derived and how to improve things going forward. The Nitro Productivity Suite is everything you need to do all of this, so it's easy to consume within one offering. Nitro Pro, as we said, market-leading PDF productivity, the ability to create, to edit, to share, collaborate with a PDF tool. PDF still being over 70% of the world's email attachments. Our market-leading e-signing product is also available to everybody. It's e-signature that meets with all the regulatory requirements, whether it's SOC Type 2, GDPR requirements, the e-Signature Act, ISO 2000 standards, and it's 256-bit encrypted. Let's go back to Andrew Clowes now, the head of IT for JLL, to understand more about the journey to digital transformation with Nitro.
We've currently got about 2,000 users across the country using Nitro. It was really a one-for-one replacement with the product that they were using. It's only in the last 6 months that we're actually using the more enhanced features, the building of forms, the digital signing, the workflows.
So let's talk about that journey to digital transformation. It's a large banner and a large topic. However, what we have with Nitro is the ability to have some really demonstrable progress with the digitization of documents. What we typically find with our large clients is that they will implement or install in maybe a department or maybe a geography and start to realize the benefits very quickly. Thereafter, we see users expanding right up to our largest customers, those Fortune 5 companies that I mentioned, who are using Nitro successfully throughout their organizations, and it's deployed to hundreds of thousands of users.